getting off the elevator?
Do you have the hiccups, Bubs? Oh, baby. Hi, Chloe. We're currently in the witching hour, so we'll be awake for the next 2-3 hours.